Hello everybody, Helen Chin-Lu here, certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, Reiki master and teacher, the owner of not only the Heal in Place Energy School, but also the Heal in Place in Medfield, Massachusetts. I am really excited. My online school, the Heal in Place Energy School, is really coming together. I've been making courses, filming, editing, uploading courses with you in mind. For those people who want to awaken their inner healers and want to be proactive with their health, I am developing reflexology classes, energy medicine classes that you could take from the privacy of your home. These courses are not certification programs because people ask me, Helen, can you teach the 300 certification program for reflexology? As much as I would love that, but I have to go through my state to become certified as a standalone, I should say, brick and mortar school. But this way, I could teach courses that will address health issues that will make you feel good. So the one that I'm really proud and want to focus on is foot reflexology to promote relaxation. Why this course? This course is going to teach your body how to relax so you can heal. Because every day we are working so hard to keep on top of things, just move along and not feel so incredibly overwhelmed. So you could just imagine, what is this doing to my body? Well, your body, your organs are trying to keep up with you. So I have made the foot reflexology to promote relaxation in 4 segments. The first one is Introduction to Reflexology, because you need to know what this is. Besides, you know or may know, this is a 5,000-year-old healing modality. The second class I want to teach is how to use your thumbs and fingers so you don't tire your hands and hurt your tendons and ligaments. That's really important, especially if you want your fingers and thumbs to last a lifetime. And who doesn't want that, right? And then lesson number 3 is a step-by-step technique on how to do the session. And on top of it, I have a manual you could download, and you could have that as part of your repertoire of healing tools. And then lesson number 4 is how to give yourself a healing session. Isn't that lovely? You could sit there, put your foot on your lap, or if you're in the bathtub, you could maneuver your feet, and you could give your feet a loving care that it needs, plus to feel good internally. So let me show you a couple of steps that I have demonstrated, because the 4 components is about an hour plus. Yes, it's a lot of information to convey. So let me show you 2 steps and give you an idea how I teach. Now we're going to introduce the hands to the foot. What you want to do is warm up the foot, get the circulation going, and this is a very important part of the process. We're going to start with the right foot and then switch over to the left, but because due to time constraints, I am only going to focus on the right foot, and then you're going to come back and do the left foot a little bit later. We are going to start with a dorsiflex of the foot. So taking your hand, put it on the dorsal side, and this hand on the plantar side, and you're going to go back and forth. You're doing a couple things. You're looking for dexterity. We're going to repeat this. Everything is done in the repeat of 3. You could do up to 5 or 6, but I usually like to do things in 3. So I'm checking for flexibility to see if the foot will move with my hands, plus warming it. Next, we're going to do an invert and evert twist, where we're going to start from the bottom and we're going to twist all the way up. And again, it's a firm twist where you're getting the circulation moving, and you want to see if the ankle is moving. You're going to go up and down 3 times. So I'm doing this quick demonstration. Now we're on the second one, and now for the third one. Up and down. Usually most people really like this. It gets the foot moving, and it starts to feel wonderful. Next, we are going to ring the foot. We're going to grasp both of our hands and put on the dorsal sides with the thumbs on the bottom, and you're going to squeeze like this. Just imagine like a towel. You're squeezing and you're moving that circulation through the foot, and you're going to go up and down, which is considered a repeat of once. And you're going to up, and here Wiley is falling asleep, or she's watching me, because we have never talked through a healing session before. And lastly, I'm going to go a little faster. So let's talk about the spine. This is your head. This is your neck. Your spine begins here, so you just imagine on your body, the curve of your back, all the way down to your tailbone, right about here. So you're going to do the push and pull 3 times. A repeat is up and down. And I'm going to probably do it twice to show you. So you're going to push down like this in your thumb, and you're going to push back, same thing like I did on the fingers. Up, back and forth. And again, you're moving your spine, especially this is really great if you have a lot of stiffness in your spine and you're going to get it to move. I'm going to go a little faster now. And here we are, up to the neck. And we're going to come down. See how, imagine if you ever seen one of those old Charlie Chaplin movies, just like his feet, it's moving just like a penguin. And you're going back and forth. And you're giving your spine a lot of love, and it's loosening it up. So I'm going to do one, so I'm on my second repeat all the way up, and we're going to do it all the way down, and you're just going to move it. And once your hands get very sensitive, you're going to be able to feel where there might be energy blockages. What the heck, I'm going to do one more, because I have a habit of doing everything in 3s anyways. Go all the way up. And remember, once you're done with the right foot, but if you choose, here's a choice, you could switch over and do the left. You could go back and forth, but because of this demonstration, I like to do everything on one foot. Now I'm going to take my thumbs right at the second toe. You're going to come all the way down until you feel a divot right about here. You're going to press, and this is going to release tension in your diaphragm line. So I'm hoping very much this little tip has helped you. Think about becoming a member of the Healing Place Energy School. For $10 a month, if you decide to do the 12-month course, or if you decide to do monthly for $25, you could watch all of these videos. I probably have about 8 courses, maybe 9, maybe 10. I forget, I have made so many just recently, I can't keep on top of it. But you could go to the Healing Place Energy School to check out what I've done. And most importantly, I want you to feel good about yourself. So after I'm done with this, I am going to jump into, I promise everybody that I am going to do a free course on how to prepare energetically to give yourself or a loved one a healing session. So this is Helen Chin-Lu from the Healing Place Energy School. Check out my school. Be well, be proactive, and awaken your inner healer. Bye-bye.